Good morning, bonjour, and ni hao. I've received a couple of very interesting questions from our respected followers about I have a very low, I don't want to say class, but I will say very low access passport from a country that have a very, very limited visa options. And we have here in the photo one of the most powerful passports in the world, which is the United Arab Emirates, with the capital of Abu Dhabi and also the famous Dubai and other states in the UAE. And also we have a photo of the one of the least, you can say, have lowest access to visa or visa free to countries, which is Pakistan. First of all my greetings to the nationals of the United Arab Emirates and all the Pakistani citizens all around the world, one of the best nations. What I can tell you, if you don't have the resources to get a second citizenship from a country, for example, like the Caribbean, the EU, Turkey, or any other citizenship by investment program available, if you don't have the resources, the funds, and you would like to get instant access to many countries, you can get uh, you can I call them a high class visa. You can get like a visa from the Schengen, you can get a visa from the UK, you can get a visa from Canada, Australia, US, or New Zealand. These five places, I will say them again: US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, and Schengen. If you get access to any of these high ranking visas, you will get another access, or you can say you get another easy access to another countries that allow, like if you have a Schengen visa holder or you have a UK visa valid, you will be able to travel to these countries without needing to apply for. You don't have to go to embassy or the visa center. You can just get apply for something called visa on arrival. And I gave you one example. If you have a UK valid visa, you'll be able to travel to Turkey on visa on arrival, even if your passport doesn't allow you to get a visa on arrival or e-visa. That's where you can get a visa to access another country that doesn't allow you to access definitely. And this is how you can play by the rules, how to understand the rules and regulations in different countries. One other example: if you get or apply for residency in the United Arab Emirates and have the Emirates ID, you'll be able to get and use this Emirates ID to get an instant access to other countries that doesn't allow you to. You have to apply for a visa, and there's different options. You can go to, I don't remember the countries now, but there's like six or five countries. If you have a residency in the United Arab Emirates, you will be able to use the residency to get into other countries. That's where you have different options. And if you don't have the access to get a citizenship and investment instantly, you can get visas in other countries, and then you can go to visit or have a visa on arrival, and then we can build your portfolio as a global citizen. Thanks so much for watching. This is Mo speaking to you. Always stay global, my friends. And why not subscribe? Or if you are watching or listening to this podcast or video in different platforms, just give us a thumb up, leave a review, leave a comment, and we're always happy to help our global citizen community. Stay global, my friends. Bye bye.